Arena. So this is our part 2 of our Batangas trip as an officiating fish.
Wow.
So day 2 and day 3. So ngayong araw ay nagpakita ng Mount Bakiling at so beautiful. 2 days po din taon nagpakipot ni Mount Bakiling na mapakita due to cloudy sky. But today is the day. Shout out sa mong kaubang mga umpires, Pastor Tax and Sir Noel. Gusto rin na ko i-clarify mga Arduino na this tournament is already done last April pa. So, salamat di ay sa mga nag-comment nga. Ingat dala sir. Pero sa tinuod lang, this is already a save video. So, karon lagi na-edit due to video busy sa live-in training for Israel. And for those who are asking kung nabok may video sa akong mga salang, sorry to inform you na wala since wala tayo pakiusapan may video anta during our salang in a game. It's mainly because dili man ta legit vlogger, so kan lang tarang hampas lupang vlogger. Shoutout ka mo pala sa mga kasama naming umpires from Barm, Sir Jude Caliado, one of the umpire for World Series, Sir Lester, Sir Yasir, Sir Simingit, at marami pa iba. So since medyo maaga natapos yung aming game for today, napag-usapan namin pumunta sa Padre Pio. This is to offer some prayers for our loved ones.
Wow.
So if ever na mapadpad kayo sa Santo Tomas, Batangas, this is a must to visit. So visit iglesia muna habang meron pang mga free time. So we visited some of the places of the parish. So merong mga lugar dito na kung saan nakalagay ang relic ni Padre Pio. Shoutout po sa mga napasama ko bumisita dito sa Padre Pio Parish Church. Sir Fabot from Tocorong, Sir Roy Iligarli of the Sultan Kudarat, and Sir Noel Tisado from Sarangani. So aside from visiting some of the places of the parish, we also offer some silent prayers for our loved ones, for protection and for good health through candle burning. So that's all for today. So thank you and God bless. Please like, share, and follow naman mga doy. Bye-bye!